Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to learn about XML by using real world example. So this is a sample XML of a book library. Let's start with the very first line in XML. The first line is called prologue. Prologue describes the version and encoding character of XML. So here we can see prologue is describing the version of XML is 1.0 and encoded with UTF-8 character. Then comes to the next line. This is a library tag. Tag are like label that describe what the data represents, and tags is always enclosed with angle bracket, and each tag has a start tag and end tag. Here we can see library has this is a start tag and this is a end tag, and end tag is start with forward slash. If I removed forward slash from here and save it, yeah, now it's showing an error. The following tags were not closed because of end tag always start with forward slash. Let me change it back. Yeah, and start tag must have end tag. If I removed it from here and save it, yeah, the following tags were not closed. Let me change it back. Save it. Yeah, and also remember that tags are case sensitive. If I change L from lowercase to uppercase and save it, end tag library does not match with the start tag because of case sensitiveness. Let me change it back and save it. Yeah, now it's not showing any error. And this tag is also called as root tag. The first tag is also called as a root tag because it enclosed all other tags and elements. It is a top level container. It is a top level tags or top level container. That's why it's also known as a root tag. So here library is a root tag of this XML. And inside this library we have a book, and inside this book we have a title and author tag, and inside this book we can see category equal to the friction. This is an attribute. Attribute provide the more information about the data. So here we can see category is providing the more information about the book. What type of a book is this? The uh, the type of a book is friction. Category is providing the more information about the book. And also remember that attribute must be quoted. Let me change it. Let me remove it from here and save it. A string literal was expected, but no opening quote character was found. That's why now it's showing error because of quotes. Quotes is not there. That's why it's showing error. Let me change it back. Yeah, and save it. Now it's not showing any error. So attribute must be quoted. So this is the summary of this tutorial in comments form. So this is the syntax of the comment, and comments are similar to other programming language. They are used to add explanation or notes within the XML documents. So this is the summary. First line in XML is prologue that is specify version and encoding character. Sorry, here R is missing. Yeah, and tags are like labels that describe what the data represents, and each tag has an a start tag and end tag. Here we can see library is a start tag and this is a end tag. A start tag must have end tag, and end tag is always start with forward slash. Tag is a case sensitive, and attribute provide more information about the data. Attribute must be quoted and comment of this XML file, and this is the comment. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Check the description for links to the sample file and PPT. They will help you understand the basics better. Don't stop here. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more exciting videos. Thanks for watching.